guys, welcome back to Kizer channel. This is Vera. Previously on Kizer Genie, we already have Titanium Genie and this Carbon Fiber Genie, but the latest version really blows my mind, and guess what is it? It's our black Micarta Genie, and this one is only available at Mojave store. They made a few tricks to this knife, and I think they really take this design to the next level. And now let's take a quick look at it. I've been waiting for this Micarta Genie for so long. Look at these handle scales. They surely give you a solid grip, smooth action, and N690 blade steel. So it's good for everyday carry, and the price will be more accessible. It features a deep carry pocket clip. The weight is almost as light as the Carbon Fiber Genie, only 2.26 ounce. Last but not least, smaller jimping. So it can give you more tractions when open the knife. What's not to love this knife?